How to fix your Samsung television not finding Wi-Fi networks. So if you're unable to connect to your Wi-Fi, I'm going to show you a couple of ways to go and solve this issue. Now, the first thing we need to do is go and power cycle the television. So all you need to do is make sure the TV is completely turned off like this. You can then come round to the main power supply and you're going to unplug your TV from the main wall socket. Now, once it's unplugged, we need to leave this unplugged for around about 30 seconds, and this will drain any residual power that may be left in the device. Now, at the same time of this being unplugged, we're also going to hold down the power button on the physical TV, and once again this will just drain any residual power left in the device. So once you've held down this button for around about 20 seconds, you can then go and plug your TV back into the wall, and we also need to power cycle the router or our network as well. So just go and locate your Wi-Fi router. It should look something similar to this. And all we're simply going to do is unplug the router from the wall socket, and once again leave this unplugged for around about 30 seconds. After 30 seconds have passed, you can then go and plug it back into the wall. You need to wait a few minutes for your router to go and start up, and then we can come over to our Samsung television. Now, from the TV, we're just going to load up the television settings by clicking the settings button on your TV remote. You can then scroll down to where it says general and click on this. Scroll across to network and select this, and then we need to scroll down to where it says reset network and click on this, and it will say, are you sure you want to reset the network settings? Go and press reset. Now, once you've done all of this, you can then come back over to open network settings, and now we can simply go through the steps to connect our Wi-Fi. So we're going to select wireless if you're using a wireless connection. It's now going to search for any available networks. You can simply select your network like so, and then from here you'll just need to enter your Wi-Fi password. Now, the Wi-Fi password can be found on the actual router itself, and once you've done this, you should then be able to connect to your Wi-Fi. Now, if it's still not working and you're able to connect to the Wi-Fi on your other devices, then you may need to factory reset your router. Now, to do this, we just need to come round to the physical router device, and you'll see at the back here we have this small pinhole, and this is basically the reset button. So you'll need to find a sharp or a small item that you can kind of poke inside of here, and we need to hold down this reset button for around about 30 seconds. Once your router has been completely reset, once again you'll need to wait for it to turn back on. You can then come back over to the Wi-Fi settings on your television, and you should now be able to connect to your Wi-Fi network. So that's how you fix the issue where your Wi-Fi is missing on your TV. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.